big fish. Get the trap. How's it going? And this is where the weekend begins. The gas station. Kind of like every week, but right now it's around 4:30 a.m. I actually woke up kind of late this morning, so we're kind of behind schedule. But today is I have a tournament tomorrow for fishing, so today is pre-fishing, trying to go figure out what they're doing. We're gonna be hitting the Mississippi River, so hopefully things don't get too tricky. But other than that, pretty straightforward. Alright, we got the boat in the water, and driving here I've seen a really good spot. I'm going to try and find some smallmouth today and some largemouth, try and get a pattern figured out, and then just build off that. So I'm going to try and maneuver my way to the spot I've seen, and hopefully they're there. Well, walleye, or yeah, I think that's a walleye. Might be a sauger, I don't know. Sauger are biting. Oh, got a fish. It's a bass, it's pretty big. Oh no, she's a pike. Of course it's a pike. Why would it be a bass? Well, thanks again. Thanks for nothing. Show me that you're in here. Not what we're looking for. All right, we have a bass on. Don't know how big it is. Fighting pretty good. Not bad. Probably like a 13.5. First largemouth. Starting somewhere. Fish is on. First one in like a long time. Ooh. Okay, that was definitely a keeper bass. Oh, I got a big one. A drum, or a something that talks.
Cedar channel cat.
Not exactly what we're looking for, but you know what, we'll take it. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Dude, How? Well, it's what we're looking for, but you know, not the quality. We're starting here tomorrow. Yep, we are starting here tomorrow. I know where I'm starting tomorrow. I just had another hit before this one. Okay, a little 10-incher, but I know there's quality down this bank. See you later. But I know there's quality down this bank and it goes forever. So, starting spot tomorrow morning. We're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it. Midday update. I'm freaking beat. I just want to go to bed, honestly. I'm so freaking tired, but I am getting pretty hungry. Fishing's been here and there. Haven't really caught much since the last spot I left. So I think I'm gonna head back to the boat launch and put her up on the trailer for the night. Alright, hopefully nothing flies away. I got some lunch. We got some bread and some tuna for some tuna sandwiches. I don't know, but for some reason I was really wanting a tuna sandwich. So freaking good, dude. Tuna sandwich. I don't really think the camera's doing it justice, but in person this is just beautiful. Alright, well, this is a pretty good lunch. So now our next stop is the good old Cabelas, because I need to go pick up some deep diving crankbaits and like some just different crankbaits. Not really sure what's going on over there, but USA meeting apparently. Got the good goods. We got some, can't tell you. Can't give away all my secrets. Ooh. Got some boats on clearance here. Might as well take a look. Ooh, we got a Ranger. $250. All right, let's see what the price is, huh? Thought it was supposed to be on clearance. Holy crap. 400. Jeez. All right, which one would look the best behind the Toyota? The Ranger? This nitro? That nitro? Or that one? I kind of like that black and blue one a lot, but a little out of the budget. Well, it is 8:30 at night. I freaking went to bed, man. Slept for like 4 hours and 30 minutes straight. But other than that, I think it's time for supper. So I want to cook something, but the bugs are really bad. I'm gonna look up you know what? Stress-free weekend. Stress-free weekend. I'm just gonna go buy something. I don't really want to deal with it right now. The bugs are super bad. Okay, we got dinner. Got some chicken patties and then some breadsticks. Oh, then a body armor. You know how it is. But so tonight's plan is go to bed, wake up at 5 a.m., 4:30 tomorrow morning. Come to Quick Start, grab some breakfast. Really just dial in for this tournament, try and get some money back. And yeah, so give you guys a little insight on this channel here. Expect some beach videos. The next video will be a beach video. Yeah, get out and go have a stress-free weekend if you guys are ever feeling stressed out. Just put all your problems aside and go out and go do a little fishing, a little camping, a little cooking. Whatever makes you stress-free, I guess. But I was talking to some of the guys earlier and they said the fishing was really good yesterday, but today it was nothing. I'm gonna let my truck run for a little bit, sit around, and then I'll catch you guys when I'm in the bed of my truck going to... Okay, it's like 10. Ate supper, nothing really going on, so I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you guys bright and early. Ready for this tournament. Oh, God. Little update, boat is in the water. Forgot to take the back strap off, so I look like an idiot. First tournament ever, but live you learn. First spot. Really gonna put my head down and catch some frickin' fish. Need a lot of today. There's a fish. Oh my God, dude. All right, as much as I love catching walleye, today is not the day I need to catch a walleye. So like, tell your bass friends to come up and eat my bait. There's a fish. That's a keeper. Oh my god. 14 and no way. This one feels a lot better. I'm just joking. I'm just joking with you. I'm just joshing around. Oh, that one feels better. Oh yeah. First keeper of the day, I bet. Okay, let's keep going. All right, another bass, same bait. Oh, that's a big fish. Get the thread. Oh, of course. Of course. Get out of here, man. You're kidding. You're kidding. You're fucking kidding me. How? How does this happen? Why? 7 hours left to fish and my trolling motor dies? This is not funny. Are you serious? Dude. Dude. I'm actually so freaking pissed right now. I have 2 fish in the boat. Well, I only have one idea, and it might cost me the entire freaking thing. Okay, my trolling motor batteries are dead. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run up to the ramp. It's about 7:30 right now. Charge them for like an hour, and then come back out, and hopefully we can do something. I'm so like. Okay. Boat is charging. You have no idea. That took like 20 minutes. Lifting in and out of batteries. Okay, so I hope to be back on the water at like 9:30, 10. It's about 7:45 right now. And I have a plan. There's gonna be shaded where I'm going, so smallies are still good in there. I'm weighing in fish either way. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this tournament honestly because we have a problem. I think my charger is junk. So obviously these 2 batteries are the ones that run my trolling motor up there, and they're not charged. Like it's saying they're charging, or they're charged, but well, look at this. Come up here to the front, plug this thing in, turn it on, right? Okay, watch this. I'm gonna hit this. Low. Why saying low if it's charged? So it's the charger. I'm almost certain it's the charger. So I just called the tournament director and he said, send me the measurements of your fish. And then, yeah, so a little bit of a bummer, man. I really got excited. Like, I wasn't doing bad either. I had 2 fish in the boat, and I probably have like 3 pounds, nothing big, but it's just annoying. It's part of it. You have good days and you have bad days though, so gotta take this as a learning experience. All right, well, enough of me yapping. I'm gonna go dump the fish back in the river. Look how pretty that fish is. $14.5. Well, it's part of it. You just gotta walk away from this and realize that you need to sell the boat. Yeah, if you guys are interested in a boat, look her up. Send me a message. Just make a comment on here. Might as well cook a meal tonight. I don't know. I'll see you guys when I get home. After the unfortunate events today, we're gonna have a nice meal. So we got a sausage burger thing tonight. Sometimes. Like one day you'll hear me.
Look how close that is to me. I'm just putting this babies out. Maybe. Oh my god. Fucking hot.
Alright, we got triple decker and then after the day I had, you know, this ain't too freaking bad.
Oh my god. This is so really hot.
Oh my god, it's coming, dude.
Yeah, we gotta keep going.
I'm not joking. Dude, I don't know what hit me.
I know.
Dollar General sausage patties. Well, me and Jacob here. We're gonna ride her out. We're gonna go catch some fish. I'll give you guys an update when next thing happens. All right, so I'm at this local little lake thing and I roll up on this guy that has this van and I see on the side that he has a YouTube channel, so I decided to ask him about it and here he is.
You want me to turn the lights on in there?
Might as well.
Right now I'm on 110 because I had to suck it up and pay for a electric site because I want to be by the water. But actually I have solar and I have a generator. I have everything you need, and I can scoot the air over it. Actually, I can turn it off probably. Well, it'll turn itself off. Ain't nothing to it. Everything in here is either, I got a buddy in the construction business, so I steal his scraps, and I got storage under here, well, in those cabinets, but then there's also storage under the back. I've got everything, a generator and everything else back there. Then I just got this. It's a cooler or refrigerator or freezer. I don't don't think there's anything in it but beer. A couple of baby Harbor Freight batteries. Groceries. Yeah, I can get kicked out of the house on a moment's notice.
This is insane. Like, this is so nice to be able to stand up and.
Well, you're way taller than I am.
Yeah.
But the average person can. And for water, I just fill those jugs up. Got a USB water pump. Man, it was good meeting you. And it's good to meet somebody that actually.
Yeah, I know. It's like whew, crazy.
Man.
I had to say something when I seen the YouTube button on the side.
Yeah, I just did that the other day.
Well, there's this channel. I'll link that down in the description below. So make sure to go check him out and leave a like and subscribe on all his videos.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
And nice ass Tacoma.
Tundra.
Huh?
Tundra.
Tundra or whatever. Tacoma,
Toyota.
I get them mixed up all the time.
Didn't film an outro, so here's the outro. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Really enjoyed filming this video. Just got to remember when crap hits the fan, you just got to take it as it is. Just got to learn from it, find the problem or whatever. Never stress over little things like that. I mean, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. That's today's video. So if you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. Really helps me out. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, I'll see you guys on the beach in the next one.